possibly or possibly not. But that's potential, right? There, a certain energy that you direct. Is it positive or negative? Well, worry is not something that makes you take action, right? When we worry, usually we are in our heads and we don't really do anything except worrying. Okay? In other words, worrying is a waste of your energy because you always produce energy thoughts every single second. We can't avoid it. Therefore, it's important that we water our brain and tell the brain how to think. And that's positive thoughts. The same about conflict. Think about conflict when you face a conflict. Look at it this way. Conflict is my emotional and psychological everyday gym. It makes me stronger every single day in terms of my emotional and psychological life.